1334 Transport for Wales, service to Ebervale Town. When boarding the train, please mind the gap between train and
It's just outside Paddington station.
Okay.
Nice little lounge bar there.
Awesome.
A little, I think about a hotel, but I think
Oh yeah,
that's
even
good.
better. I've definitely got work to do on the way back, so it's part of the
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, I'm
Yeah.
Mark Hopwood.
Hello, very nice to meet you, Danielle.
Hi, Danielle. How are you?
Very good, thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.
See how it goes.
You want to get a shot to prove it's Cardiff, I believe.
Yeah. There's a rather rubbishy looking sprinter there.
Oh, no, he's sprinters, that's good, yeah. See these tall buildings there, that's what I go, try and go on top of those.
Hi, hello.
Yeah.
Probably shot some up there.
Hi, I'm Mark. Daniel.
Steve Dolly, thanks for the invite.
Right, that'll do, thank you.
The timetable pattern during the day from South Wales up to London remains broadly the same, with two trains, one from Swansea, one from Cardiff, but they will be faster, accelerated by as much as 14 minutes Swansea to London, by 17 minutes in the peak. What we'll be doing in the rush hour going up in the morning is having 3 trains from Cardiff. One of those, which has started in Swansea, will run non-stop each hour from Bristol Parkway up to London, and that obviously helps deliver big journey time improvement, and then there'll be an additional service from Cardiff to serve stations like Swindon and Reading to make sure those journey opportunities are protected. So what customers will see, more seats in the period.
Not nice, but our interest rate is 0.67. Oh, from Holland.
Would you like a photo?
A group photo.
Oh, I think so. I will do a group photo, that's no problem.
Well,
I'll take payment on arrival at
these
Paddington.
things will necessarily face we are government.
Gents, do you want to look this way?
Are you... Sorry.
No, not at all. Maybe it's the Celtic.
You're using his phone.
Oh, no. Maybe it's the Celtic connection.
Yeah, because that would be this with
I've been on one of these, but it's just me and the driver. It's very old experience. Yeah. Right, you've got a bit of soup. Grab a seat, John.
Go on, you go. You can go on.
Watch where you put your hands. There we go.
Where are we now? Do we know approximately?
Is that on Steventon Bridge?
That looked like
I don't know that it's fairly well known.
I'm not used to looking through the back, so I'm a bit disorientated. It is that sort of direction, yeah.
And this is the driver's view, is it?
Yeah, that's exactly what the driver's seeing
Yeah.
at the moment.
Nice and cool in here.
Oh, it's brilliant. No, well, this part of the tray is easy. You can just control the aircon.
Yeah.
Don't worry, guide, I'm moving a
Quite as
few
fast
minutes.
as we probably can't go in.
Well, the speedo's there, so it's
Oh, yeah, we
Oh, there we are.
125.
bang on 125. It doesn't feel like it, does it?
Definitely not.
It feels more from the side you feel the speed, but when you're looking, I guess it's a bit like being in the car and you're driving, it never seems quite as fast as when you're a passenger.
Exactly.
We'll all be on the YouTube channel tonight.
I suppose it should be the selfish, shouldn't it?
Based. I did ask him if he was driving today. He said no, he's on rest day, I think, for today. So
Yes.
Why do you want to swap places now? Yeah.
go on then.
You've had your fill.
No, I've not had my fill. I just want to be fair.
No problem. Right.
To be honest with you, this is more than I expected.
Is it? Oh, there we are. Oh, very good. So we've just gone through it. I've seen the signs on the track there. We'll pass them, but there's a speed restriction.
Oh, I see.
The track, for track conditions, which is fun. It's
Yeah.
perfectly normal. Do you have a phone on you? Do you want me to get a picture of it?
Yeah, that'd be good. Turn around.
Yes. The lights just a bit.
Yeah, the lights look brilliant.
There we go. Oh, sorry.
It's in the second man seat.
There you go.
Okay, cheers.
So I'll introduce myself. Be very Tom. Tom. How you doing, Tom? So is it freelance sort of stuff that you do? Or is it?
No, so I work for South East News Service. We do loads of stuff for you guys.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
I don't suppose you ever knew one of my friends used to work for the Swindon Advertiser, Stephen Osborne? He used to work for Swindon.
How long ago was that?
About a year and a half ago. Less than.
No, I did a lot of my work experience there, but that was like 6 years ago.
Okay, cool. Okay, so who sort of like gets into, is it Paul or Dan or
Oh, Stacey.
Stacey Lewis?
Yeah, she just booked a job in for Friday as well.
Very good. Exactly.
slowly creeping up.
I can't remember what exactly the speed restriction was, but there was a driving was seeing high-speed trains where the HST there was virtually no level of computerisation.
No.
Whereas this, you can see
Oh yeah.
it's all. I mean, that bit of kit over there, the
Yes.
touch screen, that's the train management system. You know, some of the drivers just don't have anything to do with it, and that's like they realise it's not right for them.
Yeah.
But I mean, what a great work! If this is your working environment, much better compared to some of the previous.
Oh yeah.
Yes, he gave me a call, yes. Yeah, and he's very useful to me. They were told to do 130, which made us. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, we had a
No, no.
I've got it pretty nice. I think it's about 5. Yeah, it's going back empty stop to goes into the North Pole and then here. And then it'll come back in the service later.
We'll just find somewhere around.
We all get off there.
You walk out around find some places. People just not come out and this into the station.
Well, I do hope you've enjoyed our little sprint from Cardiff up to London Paddington. We're quite pleased with our progress. You may have noticed we discreetly moved one or two other trains out of the way. I hope they didn't mind. So some of you might be interested in the 1980s when British Rail didn't have quite as many rules and automatic train protection systems to worry about. They ran a train from Cardiff up to London non-stop, 1 hour 37 minutes and 37 seconds, so that was the record. If you've been watching closely, you'll know that we left Cardiff at 13:46, so we're as I speak to you now, we're running into platform 1, 1 hour 33 and counting, so we're on track, I hope, to arrive in the next few seconds and hopefully set a new record for the Cardiff-London journey. Thanks very much for joining us. Hope you've enjoyed the trip. Sorry it was slightly shorter than we intended. Hopefully you've enjoyed the refreshments and don't rush off straight away because we'd like to do a photograph, and we do have a little certificate for you to celebrate the fact that you're record breakers. So thank you very much and good afternoon. And sorry, I'd also just like to pay tribute. They're not actually here, but Jeremy's our driver from Bristol, so thanks to Jeremy. Ian on the footplate with him, and Julie and Annette, who've looked after us on board. I'm sure we can thank them as we step off the train. And thanks to our colleagues in Network Rail for giving us green signals all the way as well. So thank you very much.
Pass on the thanks. So
we just said well done to you for looking after us, so thank you very much, both of you. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.
That's it, 15:20 stop.
1 hour 33 minutes and 51 seconds is the time that we've made it. So we'll just check that against the official timekeepers next door, and we'll get your certificates produced.
Showing your age there now.
Yeah, that's the honour.
Yeah. Screenshot that. So.
There's a certificate going around there, so make sure you get the certificate. Oh, right, okay. Thank you very much.
Just for the sake of the record, your name is?
Jeremy Woodrow.
Jeremy.